was a very lovely session. I enjoyed it. And I was taking down a lot of notes because I want to have a record of what you teach because it's very valuable to me. And especially, you explained differentiate between IEP and the 504 plan, which is actually if we on our own go and try to look and learn and try to learn it, I don't think we would get it still, because you simplified it and made us to understand so much, you know which was in such an easy way of understanding. And also you taught us the strategies and of from IEPs for students with dyslexia and so many other things, which was really very effective. And it is so beneficial for me because I'm in a position where I have to deal with many of these kind of kids, and I'm very thankful to you for such a wonderful session that I have had. Thank you, ma'am.